This is a UWANT B100-S multiple spot cleaner, a great looking and super portable 3-in-1 wet, vacuum and a game changer in the whole spot cleaning segment. The main focus of this device is a maximum comfortability. It is a super compact and rather light but still powerful system, so you can easily bring it everywhere, and it also has a long hose that makes cleaning even hard to reach spots a breeze. And best of all, thanks to the 3-in-1 design, you don't need to prepare or finish the cleaning area. The B100-S is an all-in-one cleaning solution that will apply a water or a cleaning solution. It has bristles to loosen up the dirt, and it will suck out and absorb the liquid and the dirt right away, and it has a cleaning depth of up to 6 centimeters. That is a lot. So even dried up stains or dirt deep down will get removed easily, and we're talking soft drinks, coffee, pet or kids urine, wet and dirty footprints, all sorts of liquid dirt. It will work on virtually everything, and also literally on virtually everything. Sofas, carpets, beds, curtains, plush toys, car seats and car interior. Tons and tons of possibilities. So with this you can forget heavy lifting and heavy hand scrubbing. Deep cleaning your fabric items was never easier. So let's check it out in detail. Got the new drip from UWANT, the B100-S multiple spot cleaner. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we have the box, but this is just the outer shell basically, because we have a box in a box design right there for ultimate protection. Love to see that. So let's get it out. Look at that. Beautiful. And by the way, specs of the box right there, gross weight, net weight, all of that good stuff. So we have the front, we have the side, we have the other side, key features right there. Here we have the back side, looks really nice. We have this on the top and the bottom is just blank. So let's open it up. So on top we have a divider, foam padding actually, and there we already have it. So this, paperwork, tube, more paperwork, more padding, and the device itself. Oh, it's so light, lovely. Nice handle. So let's get straight to the accessories. First of all, we have this nice envelope right here, and we have the back side right here. Let's open it up. And in here we have this, a welcome letter, and then also the warranty card right there, and also upright. Moving on to the manual right there, front, and it's multi-language, of course, looking really nice. All the languages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And there we have it, and that's the back side. Paperwork done, a nice detailed manual, to say the least. Then we also have this part right here for the tube, right here with the release mechanism. Great injection molded parts. And then here we have the suction head with the bristles and also the trigger here from the side. And this is transparent so that you can see the dirt going through. It's also self-cleaning, and we can also open it up like so, and just in case there is something stubborn in there so that we can remove it manually. Also great for drying, of course. This will snap in place, and right here it says water outlet. And then we also have the tube. So this is a reinforced plastic tube right here. It's quite rigid, great quality. Then we have this side with the release mechanism, and this is what the inside looks like with the water connector from the side and from the bottom. And that's the other side that will connect to the brush head. We have an auto clean button. We can press it like so, release, and this is what it looks like. And we can connect the head just like that. Clicks in place nicely, very rigid, and we can remove it by pressing this button, this lever. So to recap, paperwork, the holder, and of course the tube with the suction head. Done with the unboxing, let's get to my first impressions, and then of course to a close overview. Oh, actually I don't even need to lift it up, because as you can see, it can roll around. Yeah, and there we have it, looking absolutely beautiful. It still has the protective films on it. Nice handle, nice tanks. They will just pop off like that, pop in. And on the other side, we have the wind up button for the cord. Very nice tray. Oh, that's so nice. And it's such a compact and light system. And once again, we have the rolls on the bottom, and this makes it even easier for maneuvering it around. It will basically just follow you around. Very nice. So let's take a close look. We have the branding on top in this nice copper, shiny copper inlays, well, accents, looking really cool. So it's white, or it could be a rose gold as well, and gray. So great color combination. We have the on-off button right there, two-way switch, and here we have the dirty water tank, and we can just grab it right here. We have the maximum wastewater level right there, and this is what it looks like. It looks really cool. We also have this hole right here with the rubber flap right there, and on the bottom we can also unscrew it, take it all out. This is great for cleaning. Great mechanism. And right here, important warning, this needs to be tight, of course. That's the inside right here. Here we have this filter. And down here is also where we connect it to the tube, just like that. The other side is of course fairly similar. That is the fresh water tank filter in here. And we have the indicators right here. Minimum level, maximum level, another hole right here with the flap. And that's that, looking great. Let's pop it back on, just like that. And on the back, we have this tray right here. We can remove it completely, looks like that. Handy to have. Then the wind up button, and of course, right here we have the plug for the wall outlet. Really handy system. And here we also have the cutout. We have the slit for inserting the holder. And this completes the back side. And here we have all the small print, all the specs. We have this side and also this side where we can connect the tube on top with the handle. Very nice to grab. And lastly, we have the bottom. Here we can see the wheels. Two are fixed and these two can rotate. And lastly, here we have the filter. We can open it up like that. And this way we can remove and clean the filter. Great engineering, great system. Very intuitive. Clicks in place. And with that, we are ready for a test. Not bad, right? So let's set it up and then of course test it. So first of all, let's insert the tube, just like so. Click it in place, or rather connect it. Let's grab the power cable, connect it to an outlet, and lastly, let's fill up the clean water tank. So here we go with the water tank, almost filled up to the max. So let's put it back in, and now we can already turn it on. Just in case, let's press the button. Okay, easy as that. So we are ready. I have prepared this towel right here. So let's see. So the water applying mechanism will only work when it's on, and it will spray out from here. Maybe you can see it. Wow! Auto clean. So the auto clean will eject the water right here, and it's so nice that you can see the water getting sucked out again. So check this out. And after going over it, this surface is almost completely dry. Let me show you with this paper towel right here. So even when I press it in hard, it is almost not wet at all. Very, very slightly, but check this out. So now that we know how it works, let's see how well it can actually remove stains and dirt. So check this out. We have Tabasco, spaghetti sauce and marmalade. And I have used a spoon to press it into the fabric. So let's see how it will do against these stains. And it goes without saying that this is already hardcore territory, especially the amount and the fact that I smooshed it into this towel. So let's turn it on, apply a bit of water and then suck it out. Let's see. Check that out. Great results, even though these stains were hardcore to remove, but I had to go over it quite a few times, but great results nevertheless. And now for the last test, coffee ground. This will result in a massively nasty stain. Oh my goodness. And once again, I will smoosh it into the fabric. This is also a great alternative for, you know, this is like dirt, earthy, like debris. So smooshed into the fabric hard, as you saw. Actually, before we get to it, cleaning it is so easy. Just open it up and you can wipe away all the sticky stuff and whatnot. Also in here, super easy. Just takes a few seconds and let's go. And once again, this will take a few passes, but as you can see, it's pulling the coffee ground out of the fabric so nicely. So let's keep going. Check that out. That's what I call great results. And a fabric like this is so hard to clean compared to, you know, regular sofas and stuff like that. So great performance. Check out the wastewater, by the way. So nasty. Oh my goodness. So cleaning it out, super easy. And just like that, it's fully cleaned out and we're ready for the next session. So now that we know that this thing is actually a powerful cleaning device, let's go for a few real-world applications, starting with my car. But before I will get to it, let me actually show you how to use it properly. First of all, you of course have to connect the hose and the handle right here. Secondly, fill up the clean water tank, and for best results and longevity I would recommend distilled water or from a reverse osmosis filtration system like I have. Fill it up and the level should be in between here. And for best cleaning results, additional cleaning solution would be recommended. There are universal cleaners out there, or this one especially for carpet should be perfect for the car, for sofas and all of that good stuff. And UWANT will come out with their own cleaners soon, so when they're available I would get them straight from UWANT. So let's add a bit into the tank. That should be enough. And of course I spilled, so let's wipe off the excess, get it all clean. So let's put it back together. Simple as that. Then of course plug in the power. Brought my power station. This way we can even measure the power consumption. So let's turn it on. And just like that we are ready to go. So let's see. Check this out, not even 400 watts. This thing is actually really power efficient. That is nice to see. Really awesome. And one thing that is actually fairly important, especially if you're using it with a cleaning solution, would be to spray the area. Oh yeah, we need to turn it on for that, of course. Spray the area and then let it sit for a good 5 minutes. And for this you just press here and it will eject the water. Just like that. So let's soak it up. Now let it sit for a bit, let the dirt loosen, and the way to get it out again is to put down the handle like this so that the actual suction part touches the ground firmly. So not like this, we need a firm connection, no air gap. Just like this, and then also press it in and then go backwards. And this way you will have the best results. And if you have a stubborn stain, you can of course use the brush, and as you can see, the cleaning solution is already doing the trick right there. I cleaned my car not too long ago, but I remember that I forgot about a headrest. This one right here, as you can see. Oh my goodness, looking nasty. The other ones are looking quite alright. So this one is a must. Look how dirty. So again, apply it, soak it. Let it sit, and meanwhile I will go for the chair. So check it out, firm pressure and just like that. And the great thing is that we can see everything in here, so we will know when there is no water left. Oh my goodness. Over just a few weeks it has gotten so dirty again. That is crazy. Wow, look at that. And you will have to do this a few times until the last drops of water are out. And we also used a lot of it, of course. So nice. And of course, if you want to go for a self-cleaning in between, You can just hit the auto clean button. This will clean out this part a bit and also the hose, but it is of course recommended after the job to take it all apart and clean it thoroughly. And with that said, enjoy the real world test. So done with the seat and with the headrest. Now look at that, so clean, wow. Lovely. And maybe you saw it in the time lapse, but the bristles are actually really handy because I had to spray it a few times and just brush it out. There was such a lot of, I guess, some sort of fat from the head, you know, because as you saw, the water kind of formed pearls and it didn't even penetrate the fabric. But after a few times, I got it out, as you can see, and now it is actually spotless. It is perfect. Great results. It's amazing. Next up we have two carpets. As you saw, I have already thoroughly soaked them and I guess it will be really nasty. And this machine is just perfect for the fabrics that you can't remove. So let's see. So done with the carpets. On this one it worked really well, but this one has such strong and long, almost like bristles. This one is terrible. I need to, I don't know, I will just cover it up. Perfect. And now check this out, look how dirty it is. Perfect timing for the self-cleaning. So yeah, once again, a full disassembly and deep cleaning is definitely recommended. But before we get to it, let's do a last test. I don't have a sofa, so I will just try on this. As you can see, it's heavily stained. Let's see what it can do. So let's go. And once again, removing a lot of dirt. Hope you can see it in the time lapse, but I guess by now you get the point. So let's skip to the dirty water tank emptying. And once again, emptying out the dirty water tank. Check this out, that is a lot of dirt. So this one, and now this. Wow. Check that out. Nice. Amazing cleaning device. Big thumbs up from my side. This thing is awesome. UWANT is a rather new and fast-growing company. Since 2022, they have applied for over 280 worldwide patents, and they have a fast and hard-working development team, and it really shows in this product. I have never seen such a sleek and easy to use spot cleaner. Great to use, great hardware, great build quality, and the results, they speak for themselves. Absolutely awesome. Once again, it is a 3-in-1 or rather a all-in-one cleaning solution, or rather cleaning device, even with a self-cleaning functionality. It's right here, just press this button right here, it will clean itself, and the system can remove even the most stubborn dirt and stains. It is of course a wet-based cleaning system that is perfect for deep cleaning all the way up to a cleaning depth of 6 centimeters. And thanks to the super strong suction with this device, a full 1200 kPa, which is a lot compared to other spot cleaners. Yeah, and thanks to that, when you're done, the fabric is almost 100% dry. Filling up the clean water tank is as easy as pouring out the dirty water. It's super simple, straightforward, and all in all an easy system to use. Great looks, great value, great results, great engineering, definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.